Hey guys, Lana here, and today I am unboxing a pizza. So, to answer your first question, especially to all of my sarcastic friends, no, it is not delivery, it is not DiGiorno. So, I guess in a way it kind of is delivery. FedEx brought it, so I would imagine that technically that counts. So, I guess I got pizza delivered. Backstory: a friend of mine posted on Facebook how her kid was having a fundraiser for her class. And I saw the link. I was like, Little Caesars. Let's click. So, click through the link, and it was actually a way to buy pizza kits, cheesy bread kits, or there was some. Oh, there was a brownie. I like brownies. I hope you like brownies too. So anyway, I figured, I'm like, well, it's 2 a.m. and I really want some pizza. This feels like a smart choice. Click, click, click. Purchase. $28 later, and I guess 4 days, I have pizza right here. And it came in this really, really boring box. So, let's open her up and see what's inside. So here's the fancy box that the pizza came in, and I'm going to open it. Oh, that looks interesting. Plastic everywhere. More plastic. Oh. What is this? This feels like insulation. Ooh. Oh, that's fancy. Oh, that's extra fancy. So, if you can see here, there is, I guess, ice pack. So, I'm going to pull you out of the way. Yay, Georgia heat. There's pepperoni slices. Looks like there is dough. And all sorts of assortment of pizza-like things. Okay, and then there's another ice pack. And, oh look, calories. Because I care about calories, and I ordered 2 whole pizzas in a box. Okay. That is the unboxing of the pizza. So now that you see what's inside of the box, how cool is that, right? So one of the things that, like, I've always been a more or less mini vocal supporter of is unique fundraisers. Like, I don't eat candy, so I'd feel kind of bad saying, oh yeah, I'll order some candy from your kid, but I don't really eat it. Or, popcorn. Yay, popcorn. So, when I saw the Little Caesars link, I was like, really? Little Caesars? And so I figured, I'm like, well, it's got to be a coupon. It's got to be something that is easy to mail, easy to sit around. It's probably a coupon for 2 pizzas and maybe some crazy bread. And to my surprise, it actually was an actual pizza. So, this is why Lana clicked at 2 a.m. because she was hungry and wanted pizza at 2 a.m. But it was also a really, really, really good cause. And the sad part is, if the fundraiser is still going in the next few weeks, I'm probably going to order another one. Because I'm pretty sure at 2 a.m., I'm going to be craving pizza once again.